Okay, for part two, here we are coming into the dining room. Our pocket doors were here. We have a pocket door that separates the kitchen area from this dining room. Formerly, we ran into duct problems, all kinds of issues. Ceiling height has to drop for the air handler, which is going to go up there. I'm coming and walking into here. We're ripping off the countertop, but for now it's protected. We had to change the breakfast nook too because it's the wrong size. But you can see there's going to be TV mounted on the wall here in the family room, and of course all the covers will be across the radiators. Our wood floors are here, and we will start those in August. We have a full another month and a half, I suppose, of work to do. Another air handler required its own closet, so we had to change that in this bedroom. And you can see where we have, that's job our electrician. We have more air handlers coming through here. Pocket door for the other bedroom. I'm gonna go in here. And this is back where the condensers live for the air conditioner. As you can see, it's pretty invasive. Each one is 41 inches. We had to move the radiator over, but all that hard work is done. You can see all the condensate piping that goes up from them and through the walls, and we have to replumb the piping here. And then there's one more. Guys, I'm gonna go in that room.
Good morning.
Good morning. I just have to sneak by here. And then we have one more room here to show you, where we have the other condenser that's going through the wall. And of course this one really supplies, this first one probably supplies all of the back bedrooms. There's 3 here. We're not changing much, and this was a former master bath. But we'll say ciao for now. It's just fun to see this thing come to life. Bye. Hi.